In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can replace a light fixture in your home. So this is our living room. It's a pretty big room, but the light fixture in the middle of the room is very small and just doesn't fit the scale of the rest of the room. So we purchased on Amazon this larger light here. And so in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to remove the old light fixture and then wire up the new one. Let's jump right in.
As with any project, when you're working with electricity, you first want to make sure you turn the power off at the breaker. Make sure you avoid any risk of getting electrocuted.
Okay, now that we got the power off, the first step here is to remove the old light. So take that apart piece by piece and undo the wiring. Okay, now that we got the old light down, this is what we want to see. We have 3 wires. So we want to have a copper wire, a black wire, and a white wire. So I just need to take down the old mounting bracket and install the new mounting bracket for the new light. Okay, now that the old bracket is removed, we're just going to install the new mounting plate. So you just want to slide the wires right through the middle of that. You can see there's a lot of holes on this mounting plate, and that's so it's kind of a one-size-fits-all. So you're just going to find, a couple holes that the screws fit in through, and then just put the nuts to hold that in place. So the first thing we need to do is we have to take these electrical wires here, the black and the white. We have to put it up through the hole here on this mounting plate, and then we're going to attach it up here. We're going to do black to black, white to white, and then copper to copper. Just a quick tip while you're connecting the wires. Once you've got your wire caps on and everything is tightened down, I usually like to wrap a little electrical tape around them. This keeps the caps from slipping off while you're pushing the light up into place on the ceiling. Plus it adds a little bit of extra insulation just in case anything gets exposed over time. It takes like 10 seconds to do, but it's one of those small things that makes the whole install feel a lot more solid and safe. Okay, so I ran downstairs and turned the power back on. So let's flip the switch. Moment of truth here. And there it goes. As you can see, replacing a light fixture is a easy, straightforward project once you know what you're doing. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for other easy projects that you can do yourself. Thanks for watching.